Welcome to Hey Gen Podcast. Today we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing affiliate programs in 2025. It's pretty exciting stuff.
Oh, I'm super pumped about this. So, what's making AI such a big deal in affiliate marketing right now?
Well, it's flipping the whole strategy on its head. Instead of just, casting a wide net, AI helps us pinpoint the perfect affiliate partners.
Right, so we're talking quality over quantity then?
Exactly. AI analyzes tons of data to find affiliates that align perfectly with a brand's goals. It's like moving from a shotgun approach to a sniper rifle.
That's quite the image. But does this precision really make that big a difference?
Absolutely. For example, a boutique fitness brand used AI to find a micro-influencer with modest followers but insanely high engagement. They saw
really?
a 25% increase in referral traffic in just 3 months.
Wow, that's impressive. But isn't integrating AI kind of complex and pricey for most brands?
That's the thing. A lot of people assume that, but it's actually more costly not to adopt AI these days.
Really?
With competition heating up, sticking to traditional strategies is like bringing a knife to a gunfight.
So, how does AI deal with privacy concerns, especially with third-party cookies going away?
Great question. AI-driven, privacy-first tools let affiliates rely on first-party data.
Right.
This way, they can personalize campaigns while staying compliant with regulations.
So it's like hitting two birds with one stone. But can AI really make affiliate programs more transparent and trustworthy?
Definitely. AI-powered dynamic attribution models map the entire customer journey. Affiliates get rewarded based on their actual impact, fostering transparency and trust.
That's a big deal. So dynamic attribution replaces the old last-click model?
Exactly. It ensures all affiliates who contribute are recognized, not just the last touch point.
Yeah.
Encouraging affiliates to add genuine value throughout the customer journey.
But for smaller businesses, isn't jumping into AI-powered affiliate programs still overwhelming?
Not necessarily. Platforms like customgpt.ai make it accessible and manageable.
Oh?
They offer AI-driven solutions tailored for affiliates without drowning you in technical stuff.
So tools like customgpt.ai provide personalization, automation, and analytics all in one package.
Yes. Plus advanced content generation, real-time fraud detection, and scalable automation. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for affiliate marketing.
But is relying on AI tools like ChatGPT enough?
Well, ChatGPT is great for general insights, but when it comes to personalized affiliate strategies and real-time scaling, it's limited.
I see.
CustomGPT.ai is specifically designed to tackle those challenges.
Gotcha. So adopting AI isn't as scary as it seems?
Exactly. It's about setting clear objectives, choosing the right AI tools, ensuring compliance, and smartly recruiting affiliates.
Right.
Building a high-performing AI affiliate program step by step.
Speaking of compliance, how does AI help with data privacy regulations?
AI tools can automate compliance processes, keeping you aligned with GDPR and CCPA.
That's reassuring.
It reduces risks and builds consumer trust, which is crucial.
So, in essence, AI is becoming indispensable in affiliate marketing?
Exactly. Those who don't adopt AI risk being left behind.
Yeah.
It's all about staying ahead and meeting consumers' evolving expectations.
Well, I think it's high time we all embraced AI in our affiliate strategies.
Couldn't agree more. There's no better time than now to harness AI's potential in affiliate marketing.